Hi learners, are you ready to get started today? Today we will be doing some spelling to complement our reading.
Materials.
Do you have your thinking cap with you? Go ahead and put it on. Here are today's two learning targets. I can read the high frequency words when, what, where, who, why, gives, and say. And I can segment, blend, and spell CVC, CCVC, and CVCC words like brick and trucks. Let's get started.
Transition song.
Gather round together, together, together. Gather round together to read special words. We know they are special, special, special. We know these words are special because some don't play fair.
Fluency.
In our last lesson, we learned some new high-frequency words. As we lock these words into our brain, and as we begin to read and write them more quickly, it will help us to become stronger readers and writers. To practice today, we are going to play a game of Go Fish. Go ahead and grab your fishing rod. Cast out your fishing line, reel it back in, and take a peek at the word you caught. Say. Go ahead and cast out your line again. Reel it back in, and what did you catch? When. W-N. When. That one plays fair. Go ahead and cast out your line again. Reel it back in, and what did you catch? What? It's a busy day on the river. We have 4 more words to catch. Go ahead and cast out your line. We caught something. Reel it back in quickly and take a peek at what you caught. That word is who. There's another fish to be caught. Go ahead and cast out your line. Reel it back in and look what you caught. Where? Just 2 more words. Go ahead and cast out your fishing line. I hope you catch a fish and not some trash like a boot or something. Reel it back in. What did you catch? Why? There is a sly Y at the end of that high frequency word. 1 more thing to catch. Cast out your line. Reel it back in, and what do you see? That's right. It is the word gives. Excellent work fishing for high frequency words today.
Transition song.
Now it's time to listen, to listen, to listen. Now it's time to listen to some sounds and some words. We hear sounds to spell words, and then we can write words. Let's listen to each sound now and blend them to make a word.
Word work.
Let's take a closer look at some sounds in some words. Look at this first word with me. I'm going to tap it out and count the sounds. Is, whiz. There were 3 sounds. tap out the word again with me. Is, whiz. Since there's 3 sounds, we need 3 sound boxes. Do you know what is going to go in the first box? W. The WH shares a box because it's a digraph. Those 2 letters make just 1 sound. Let's keep going. Is, whiz. Great work. Here is our next word. You can tap it out with me. Brick. Brick. How many sounds did you hear? There were 4 sounds. Let's tap it out again together. Brick. Since there's just 4 sounds, we need 4 sound boxes. Go ahead and point to each box to show where the sound belongs. Why do the CK share a box? Because they are a digraph. The CK make just 1 sound, so they have to go together. Here is our next word. Tap it out with me. S. What's that word? Rocks. Nicely done. How many sounds did you hear? 4. I can't fool you. Let's tap it out one more time together. S. Rocks. Here are our 4 sound boxes for the 4 sounds. Point to each box to show where the sound belongs. S. Rocks. The CK shares a box, and then there's an S at the end of the word. That tells us that there is more than 1 rock. Excellent work segmenting those sounds, counting the sounds, and blending them together to decode the word.
Closing reflection.
Great work today. How did segmenting and blending help you become a better reader today? It helps us to say each sound in a word slowly, and then after we segment, we blend those sounds together to help us read a new word. We are on a roll with all of the learning in this cycle. I look forward to continuing our work together next time.